If you're staying at an Airbnb and you wonder how the timer works on this Indesit Induction Hob here, it's very easy. First thing we're going to do is turn it on and we're going to start cooking on this bottom left one here. So let's just put that to number 4. Now the timer will work from 1 minute all the way to 99 minutes. So if I hit the timer button, you can see it's flashing here. It will allow me to change it. If I hold it down, it will go quicker. And then it will go back the other way as well. So let's pretend now, for the purpose of the video, we just want to do it to 1. When you let go, it will give you about 3 or 4 seconds to change this, but then when that goes to solid, it means it's ready to start counting down. So change it to number 1. When that goes to solid, it's going to start timing there. There we go. And you can see it's gone to solid and it's counting down now. You can still change the other ones here while it's counting down. So for example, if I went to here, you can see I can change the temperature, but it's still counting down. So I'm just going to fast forward through now, and then you will see it will turn itself off when it gets to 0, 0. There you go, so you can see it's turned itself off. It's just letting you know that this is still hot, and you heard a little beep there just to let you know that the timer's finished. So that's it, nice and straightforward. If, for example, you've done it and then you realise you want to change it and you want to add more time, you can do it. Just remember that you have to select the corner that you want to add the time to. So I'm just going to quickly show you that. So let's just do 4 minutes here. Wait till it stops flashing. Right, so right now it's nice and straightforward. You can see the little dots here. So if we were to hit this here, it will allow us to change the time. But if the dot goes off that one, I'll wait until this goes to solid. There we go. So let's say now if you were over here, then for example, you're not going to be able to change the time here because you're on here. Even if you hit the timer, can you see it's like locked to this one? I can't change it. You have to select the one that the timer's set to. So hit that one. Now when you do this, can you see it flashes? And you can now change it. That's it, nice and straightforward. If you just want to end everything, you can still just turn it off. Thanks for watching.